So this is a small washroom in the homeless camp park. It's Strathcona Park, somewhere there, not far from downtown Vancouver. It's Hastings East Side, and what's in one of their facilities where people coming here to take a shower, do their thing, and many they get high here. They have a place, kind of a safer place where they can take their stuff, their drugs and stuff, and so that's kind of the little environment for homeless people, because only homeless people are being served in this park. Are served like they can, like I said, they can take a shower, wash, and as you can see, they have an emergency system here. If someone finds them here overdosed, they can press here for help, and that broadcasts to one of the park supervisors. So a bunch of people carry radios, and this stuff goes straight to their radios, so they can come here right away. So that's kind of the environment here. And there is a guy who gives access, so these washrooms are locked, and there's that person who opens, and someone has to sign in every time they come in here, and so they kind of keep track of who is coming, who's coming out. And as you can see, it's wet on the ground, on the floor. Someone comes here with a mop and sanitizes or cleans. So that's the environment, Strathcona Park in Hastings area.